Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful baby blanket. It's so beautiful and so fast crocheting. I use that border. I want to make a shell stitch with puff. I want to make the similar stitch on that border. It's reversible blanket. You can use both sides. The stitch are gorgeous, don't you think? I love it very much, and you can use that stitch on your cardigans, shawls, uh, hoodies. I think hoodies. It's so beautiful, and that's the border. I love it. I give all the details in the video. It's so easy and fast crocheting. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful blanket.
We make our chains multiples of 5. I use 6.5mm hook and I will make my chains until I have nearly 60 centimeters. But if you make this with baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeters. If you want to make it through 120 centimeter and more. Okay, I want to make a sample only show you, so I will make it only 60 centimeter. And you will make your chains multiples of 5. Yarn over and make a slip knot. Then make my chains until I have which centimeter I need. Okay, I finish to make my chains. I will turn to you. I make my chains, 100 chains I made, yarn over and skip 6 stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6, insert the 7th one, then grab the yarn and pull it, yarn over, insert the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it, yarn over, insert the same stitch, pull it, yarn over and pull it, and pull through all together and chain 1, make a puff stitch, then make 4 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 3 and 4. Then yarn over, 1 2 3 4 stitch, skip, insert the 5th one and make a puff stitch, 1 2 3 and 4. Pull through all together and chain 1, then make 4 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 3 and 4. Yarn over, again skip 4, 1 2 3 4, insert the 5th one, make a puff, 1 2 3 and 4, pull through all together and chain 1, then make 4 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 3 and 4. Keep repeating like that, skip 4 stitch, insert the 5th one, make a puff stitch with pull through 4 times, after make 4 double crochet in the same stitch. I finish that row and turn to you. I come at the end of the row. You remember we skip 6 stitch from the start. Now we will skip that 2 stitch, insert the last and make a double crochet. They are the sides of our blanket. Chain 3 and turn your work. Yarn over and skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook between puff stitch and that 4 double crochet and make a puff 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then pull through all together and chain 1. Yarn over and make 4 double crochet in the same space. 2, 3 and 4. Then yarn over and skip 4 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and insert your hook between that puff and the 4 double crochet and make a puff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through all together and chain 1. Then make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then again skip 4 stitch and insert between that puff and 4 double crochet and make puff and 4 double crochet. That's the pattern. You will keep repeating desired to length. I will make my you will repeat only one row. I will make my rows after turn 2 and how it looks we will see. I will finish and turn 2.
I finish my blanket. You see the pattern. I think it looks so beautiful, don't you think? You can use that pattern your cardigans and shawls. I think it will be fit very much. It looks very good on that projects. Now I want to give you measurements, my measurements, but if you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeters. My sizes is 72 centimeter width, and the height is 55 because my yarn left over. Okay, my yarn has finished. Now I want to make on it a border. I hope it will be good as that blanket. This is my finishing point, and I will use for the border Kartopu cozy wool. It's 100 grams and 110 meters. It needs to be hand washing. They recommend us using 6 or 7 millimeter hook, but I want to use on that border because I want to make it more rigid, 5.5 millimeter hook. It's 3.53 oz and 120 yards. Color number is K010, and it's 75% of acrylic, 25% of wool. I have this yarn, but if you have any of kind yarns for suitable for the blankets, you can use that. Now all around the blanket with single crochet, I insert my hook from the finishing point, grab the yarn and make a single crochet and insert into the same stitch and make one more single crochet. Then that side I have loops stitches, so I will make every stitch a single crochet. When I come to the corner, I will turn to you. So I have stitch on that side. I will make single crochet in each stitch. Okay. When I come to the corner, I will turn to you. I finish first side, come to the corner, insert that post and make 3 single crochet in the same post and turn easily. Now you can see here, one is stitch, one is post, one is in the stitch, one is in the post. We will make like that, but if gets too tight, you can adapt that easily. You can make 2 in that post, 1 in that stitch, but I think it's enough for me. 1 is stitch, 1 is space. Okay, like that. When I come to the corner, you know, we will make here 3 single crochet. After we have stitches, we make a single crochet in each stitch, and fourth side as same as that second side. So I will make 1 in space, 1 in stitch. I finish, turn all around the blanket and turn to you. Now I come to the first corner. You remember we made here 1 single, so we add here 2 more single and insert into the first and join with a slip stitch. Now chain 3, skip 1 stitch, insert into the next stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 3, skip 1, insert into the next one. Keep crocheting like that. I come to the corner, turn to you. I come at the end of that side, chain 3, skip 1, insert into the normally I will insert into the first stitch, but I want to corner make 2 that chain 3 group, so I will insert into at the middle of that chain 3. Okay, insert into the second one and chain 3, skip 1 and insert into next. So I turn the corner with 2 chain 3 groups. Okay, it's not so important you left here 1 or 2 chains left. Okay, only 1 time. I will keep crocheting like that and turn all around the blanket after turn 2. I come to the first corner and make first corners, second space and join with a slip stitch. Now we are on the top. Make a single crochet here, chain 1 and insert into the next space and make a single crochet, yarn over and insert into that single crochet of previous rows. Make 2 double and make 1 puff, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through all together and chain 1 and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Then next space insert and make a single crochet, chain 1, insert into the next space and make a single crochet, chain 1 and make insert into the next space and make a single crochet. Now yarn over and insert into that single crochet stitch and make 2 double. Make 1 puff stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, chain 1 and make 2 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 and 2. Insert into the next space and make a single, chain 1, insert into the next space and make a single, chain 1, insert into next space and make a single. Then yarn over and insert into that single crochet and make 2 double, 1 puff, 2 double. I keep repeating like that until come to the corner. I will turn to you. I come to the corner, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. I want to make that shell with puff stitch here. So if I will make here a single crochet, here, chain 1, single crochet. Normally I will make here 1 more, but I want to make here, so one time I will come to the corner with 1 single crochet. I didn't make here a shell because it's so tight and confusing. Okay, and I will make my puff with 3 yarn over because my yarn is so thick. It's not, it seems to be more good, more better to me. Okay, yarn over and insert into the middle that single crochet and make 2 double. You can make your puff 3, 4 or 5. It's about your yarn size. And make 2 double. Then here single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and keep crocheting like that. If it comes like that, you can add 1 more single crochet and slide that shell with puff on the corner. Okay, make same thing here and do the same thing at the middle of that single crochet and finish our blanket. I finished my blanket and my border. I want to use similar stitch on the border. You can use from the first round. I used 3 single crochet, 3 chain, but you can use 2 chains. You can adapt your yarn and hook, that is. I hope that stitches are gorgeous. I hope you like it. It's so easy and so fast crocheting, and it's reversible. You can use both sides of that blanket. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your watching. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.